Good afternoon, customers. Your next service to depart from platform 4 will be Belgrade, stopping all stations to Richmond, running express from Richmond to Glen Ferry to Camberwell, Camberwell to Blackpool, stopping all stations to Bayswater, running express from Bayswater.
This is an emergency alert. The current threat level is watch and act. An incident has occurred at Melbourne Central Station. Commuters have been attacked by persons infected with an unknown virus. Melbourne Central along with the State Library and RMIT has been placed under lockdown and no one is allowed to enter or leave. At this time there is no information about how the attacker got infected. Police are urging the public to remain calm and maintain order. They are also working to contain the situation and ensure the safety of everyone in the affected areas. In the meantime, commuters are advised to stay away from Melbourne Central and the surrounding areas until further notice. Emergency services are also on high alert for potential outbreaks. The symptoms of the virus appear to be a bloodshot eye color, violent sneezing and aggression towards others. There are some rumors online that some of the victims have been bitten by the attackers. However, this is only a rumor and should not be taken too seriously. The Victorian government is monitoring the situation and additional measures may be implemented if necessary. Further updates will be provided as the situation unfolds. Information will be available on television, radio and social media announcements through official government accounts. And be wary of false information spread via fake news sites. Stay calm, stay vigilant and stay safe. Hey there, guys and gals. So, we've got a super important message interrupting our regularly scheduled programming on Ink TV. It's about something serious that's happening in Melbourne, so listen up. Moments ago Melbourne Central was placed in lockdown, due to a new virus was found today. The symptoms of this new virus are like the cold and being angry. If you show symptoms or become sick please call 000 and a team will arrive at your location and you will be checked for being sick. It is believed that some people are possibly sick and have the virus and enter the suburbs of Melbourne. A lockdown is not in place but this could change at any time, if things go bad. Right now you don't need panic or worry as this is a small outbreak and will be contained within the hour. Ink TV will keep you updated as things change. Stay connected and stay safe.